Welcome to our channel. If Skillshare isn't working or you're encountering playback errors, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the issue and continue your creative learning. Step 1. Verify your internet connection by opening another website or streaming service to ensure your connection is stable and fast enough for video playback. Step 2. Refresh the Skillshare page by pressing F5 on your keyboard or clicking the refresh button in your browser to reload the content. Step 3. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Go to your browser settings, locate privacy or browsing data options, and clear cached files and cookies. Step 4. Disable any browser extensions, particularly ad blockers or privacy tools, as they may interfere with Skillshare's video player. Step 5. Update your web browser to the most recent version. Check your browser's settings menu or visit the official website to download the latest update. Step 6. Try accessing Skillshare in an incognito or private browsing window to rule out extension conflicts or cache issues. Step 7. Switch to a different browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge to determine if the problem is browser-specific. Step 8. Check Skillshare's official social media or status page for any reported outages or maintenance that might be affecting service. Step 9. If the problem continues, log out of your Skillshare account completely and log back in to refresh your session. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.